NPP leader and cabinet minister James P.K. Sangma has claimed that a sizable number of sitting legislators will be joining the party ahead of the 2023 assembly elections. When asked if all sitting MLAs will be given party tickets, the NPP leader, however, refused to comment, saying he himself is one of the candidates who is seeking party ticket. When elections are declared by the Election Commission of India. Meanwhile, Sangma also urged the opposition, the All India Trinamool Congress, to do its homework before accusing his party of failing to submit its election expenditure report for the 2018 Assembly elections.
With unsubstantiated facts is, I think, unsubstantiated data is, I think, very wrong. But as of now, I would just like to say that without having fought a single elections and by having, just hijacked, some of the MLAs and brought them into their fold, I don't think that gives them the right to, say that they are the voice of the people and they represent the voice of the people. It is elections which actually give the mandate to people.